Hey boys, nifty little day out here. I'm heading to Jerry's place right now. Clam's meeting us there. Jerry picked up a special little project car for the winter because as you can see, it's getting a little shittier out, boys. And Jerry wanted something to work on over the winter. So we're gonna go help him throw a clutch in today. Let's go see the boys. I think I see the young offender. Oh, there he is, boy! This is Clam's project car right now, too. Mr. Jari. Big reveal. What do we got, Jerry?
Dude, picked up a Sub.
Yeah? What do we got? What year are we looking
2002.
at? Yeah, let's check this bitch out.
This guy doesn't even know bugeyes. Yeah, no duh, dude.
It looks pretty sick though. Like, it's really sick.
Oh, it looks so mean, especially from this angle.
Silicone on the headlights. Did you do this too?
And I also put the moth in there too.
Nice, dude. First mod?
First mod I did, yeah.
That's a moth.
And you got it for a steal of the deal.
Kind of. We're
$9 grand.
$9 grand.
Not running or driving. No, $4 grand. No, engine runs really healthy. A lot of full bolt-on mods, and supporting mods around the rest of the chassis. But we're opening it up right now, and we're noticing a lot of little imperfections, aren't we, Cam? We're
A lot of imperfections.
We're starting to wonder if it was a steal of the deal. Nothing that's irreversible, just a lot of lousy craftsmanship, like gauges that are going to nowhere, a ton of random grounds, a lot of just loose wires.
Yeah.
So
it is nice though. Like Jerry's gonna wrap it. Jerry wraps cars.
Yeah,
you can see
it'll
the
look
Miata. And it's got nice headers, up pipe, down pipe, intercooler, whole bunch of goodies. Injectors, intake tune. Got a nice body kit on it. Oh jeez.
Yeah, it just needs to be one color and it will look good. Also came with new rims and tires, so I can just sell those off to help out my cost.
Yeah, carbon side skirts.
And a carbon hood.
Carbon fiber hood over there.
Yeah.
With a big baby sucker on it.
Yeah.
Okay, hold it to the floor.
Okay.
You want to explain what we did here before we take her for a rip?
Okay, we bled the clutch. Pedal did not feel optimal, and then what we did after we bled the clutch was we're noticing there's a squeaking coming from inside here. Now, it could be because the release points are dry, but after...
I bet your release points are dry.
Yeah, they are. So anyways, we're thinking the noise, we're hearing like a creaking. We believe it's just the clutch. It's got an Exetti clutch. So the clutch pedal feels way better after bleeding it. Way better. Everything's working now. Like we verified that the slave cylinder's working. The clutch fluid is really in optimal condition.
Super optimal.
Yeah, we used some premium .4 clutch fluid on it. So really, like, that's way better than motor oil. Jerry tried to put motor oil in his clutch system, so that probably wasn't helping. And so now we're gonna take this thing for a burn and see how it feels. If it does not
Take it for I'm excited to see if it fucking scoots now.
Yeah, so if it doesn't drive, then that means we're pulling the
Well,
trigger.
we'll know within like 2 seconds.
Like you won't even have to make it out of the driveway.
Yeah.
She's alive. Good or bad?
I don't know. I think it's a bit better, but I think it's still slipping.
Okay.
Let's hop in. Let's go.
All right.
Is that just from torque down low, Cam, or what?
Well, we'll see. He's gonna have to get into it before we can actually see. See, that felt like the clutch slip. It did.
Because that is normally when clutches slip, right? When there's torque, there's like...
Yeah, high load.
Yeah, high load, but low RPM.
Such a project. Hood's off and shit.
Yeah.
That's how you know she's a project.
It's like a Honda boy thing. You wouldn't understand. This is the ex-owner's girlfriend here.
And then I get 2 settings with her. I can get her from the booty. Wait. The booty. Or the cha-chas.
That's so funny.
Whatever mood I'm in. Engine sounds so healthy, man.
Oh yeah, I missed that rumble.
You can tell that if this clutch was going, it would rip.
Yeah.
See it caught there. Now hit it for 1 second. Okay. Yeah, no, it's slipping.
Sounds crazy.
It does,
Pump
yeah.
the clutch.
Just keep pumping it?
Yeah, now try to hit it in a second. Okay. Alright, now the tranny's coming out.
There's a fat lip at the end of the turbos, I think. Right? You gotta pop it over.
Jerry, you're gonna have a fat lip if you keep disrespecting my friend like that.
Yeah, beautiful. He got her.
Nicely done, Jamin.
Finger.
Now just slide this off. You ready?
Yeah.
Is he gonna fall?
Probably. Because what do you get the front half?
There we go.
Thanks.
Oh shit, there goes my drive shaft. What the hell? Turns out there was a whole lot of metal shavings on this dipstick from my tranny oil.
That's a dipstick.
Or drain plug.
Right.
Yikes. Turns out though you actually want a lot of metal shavings on your drain plug. Cam
No.
just told me that.
That's not what I said. I said it's normal to have some metal shavings in your gearbox oil because it's a gearbox. Does that make sense?
Oh,
Jay?
yeah, it's a
Yeah, like I
gearbox.
said, you want a good amount of shavings on your drain plug.
Oh, dude, if this thing breaks down, you're fucked. Because the only thing that's ever going to go wrong from here on
Is the engine.
Exactly. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you're right. Fucking bolt.
Okay, 63 hours later, we got the trans out. Where our traps are burning, our spirits are low, but she's out. Pilot bearing is stuck right on there, like seized on there.
Yeah.
Clutch
Crazy.
is pretty worn down, like almost right to the rivet, so it makes sense that it's slipping.
And the flywheel you said is absolutely pooch too, eh, Cam?
Yeah, the flywheel's burnt to a crisp.
Day 2, boys, of the clutch install. Got the whips out here. Yeah. How we doing, boys? You got a bad back from last night, bud?
Pretty sore. Alien.
Yeah, let's get this shitty Porsche out of here. Here's the real prize, boys.
It looks like the lemon. It literally looks like the lemon of the freaking group.
Little rotten lemon.
This thing, though?
Just kidding, Jerry.
Good stuff. Even just dropped.
I thought it was good. I was like, oh my god.
A little
dude.
15 pounder.
Literally just paid $350 for this freaking thing.
And the stock one weighs what?
23.
23. So we should gain some power here, boys.
You know, I was thinking like between the lightweight flywheel, full bolt-ons, no restrictions anywhere, this thing's actually gonna rip.
And
I think
your
so,
fat
yeah.
girlfriend's not in the car.
Not ever, yeah. She's gone, dude.
Where'd she go? Drop-
Zimbabwe, dude.
No way.
Yeah, I just picked up and left one day.
Drop at Mickey D's and
She said she left me a note saying, I need a real bad man, and just left. Man.
How does that make you feel?
Well, at first I was pretty bummed, but then I remembered I'm gonna just gain more wheel horsepower at the end of the day.
Oh, right, true, yeah.
Quicker, 0 to 60s.
True.
True.
Remember what you told us that one night, though?
What?
He said, Miguel said I wasn't fucking it right.
Yeah, I did say that, dude. And that's why I think,
ain't been fucking it right.
I think that's why she went for a real bad man.
Yeah, I know. That's why she's with me now. And he comes like scrambling out in his underwear, like tripping over his ankles, pulling his pants up. And I'm like, Jerry, I'm like,
Such an exaggeration, dude.
that's literally what it
Changing in the
looked like.
garage.
I'm like, dude, did I come at a bad time?
And I'm like, oh, not at all. Perfect time. I put my pants on.
But
Dude, this feels lighter than the lightweight one. No, I swear.
It might be a lightweight flywheel.
oh, true, yeah.
That's kind of what I thought.
Which makes sense for Jerry because he lost his star pattern there.
Did he? Just almost, yeah. Wait, that doesn't make sense. That's not what I'm supposed to be doing.
Okay, clutch is in. Lightweight flywheel is installed. Blah blah. I got a blah 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 is in there. Tranny right here.
Exactly.
Couple trannies.
Tranny's basically good to go. And yeah, we're just gonna fucking just throw her up there.
Nice job lifting with your back clamp.
That's the way you should be better. Oh, fuck, boys. Look, we did drop it.
Okay, up. The back needs to come up more. Okay, we need about 2 inches up on my side.
This is going good, boys.
How are we looking?
Are you in the
here?
stud? No, you gotta lift your side up a bit, Jamin. I see you're
trying.
stuck on a...
Starter's going in.
All right, boys. So we got the transformation in here. She's fucking made it right up here, boys.
Transformation.
Took a little while, but she's fucking on there. No, gotta put the starter in there. Okay, boys, tranny's in. Clutch is feeling like a freshly baked biscuit. Gonna add a little tranny fluid now.
Okay, wrap it up a bit here. Oh, I fucked up. Well, first might be a little hard to.
Is that your little brother's steering wheel, Jerry?
My biker wheel.